program I will be introducing is Mathomatic. Mathomatic is a portable command line computer algebra system and calculator software. It's written entirely in the C programming language and is an open source software, so it's free to use. What the program can do is symbolically solve and simplify algebraic equations. It also does some calculus and is very easy to compile, install, learn, and use. I like this tool because it introduces students to computer science and familiarizes them with the programming language. So let's explore Mathomatic. Mathomatic looks like this. It's like a typical command prompt. Algebraic expressions are solved by inputting the problem and using a set of commands to get the desired answer. So if you don't have a lot of experience with command prompts, there are always resource places that you can get help at. So with this, I usually go to the website of the program. So here, Mathomatic has their own command reference, and you can find all the commands that you may use depending on what kind of equation you're trying to solve. So if you're dividing, this is the place where you'll get more information on how to use the divide command prompt. And if you don't have access to this, then you can always go to the command prompt and enter help. Help is the command, and you want to learn a little bit more about how to calculate. So it'll tell you a little bit about that command. But the best resource I think is the website. So let's go ahead and do a simple equation. And also, I mean, if you don't really like working with the background and white text, you can change that here. Go to properties and change colors into something that you prefer or are more comfortable working with. I actually like the black and white because the equations use a lot of color and distinguishing steps. So let's go ahead and just do a simple one. Start off with 2 minus 2. Okay, so the answer is 0. And we can go into even challenging equations, such as A equals B and what it'll do is it will put the equation into more of a formal appearance so that you can understand and see what it is that you're trying to solve. So then it's telling you, okay, well, this is the problem in its correct form, and you have to tell it what to do next. So you want to solve to verify for B. Let's go ahead and try that. Solve, verify B. And so it's breaking the equation down, and it's letting you know what formula it's using. So from what you input, you said to solve for B, and it said the B was verified and the solution is here. So the next thing you do is, well, maybe I want to solve for A. So there you go. That's the breakdown of A. And if you want to simplify that, it can be. So if you go to simplify, and there you go. Now the derivative is also available as a command. Derivative. And so it says differentiating the RHS, which is simply the right-hand side with respect to B, and simplifying. So that's that. There's so much to do with this tool. I like it because of its availability as well. If you don't want to download this, you can use it within an open web browser. And also, if you need quick access to it and you have your mobile device, then there's also a mobile browser available. If you want to get the application on your iPhone or Droid, it does come with a small fee, but it's not too bad. So this is my introduction to Mathomatic. I hope at some point you'll be able to use it and love it.